This video is going to show how to use commands and keyboard shortcuts to quickly rotate components in OrCAD PCB Designer. Shortcuts can be used to accelerate commonly used commands and streamline the design process. Open the provided design in PCB Designer. Select Place Components manually from the menu. The placement window opens with a list of available components. Check IC1 to place it. Click to place IC1 in the canvas and select Close to close the placement window. First, let's take a look at the default steps required to rotate a component. Select Setup, Application Mode, Placement Edit from the menu. Click the placed IC to reattach it to your cursor. Right-click and select Rotate. Move the mouse to change the rotation and click to accept the rotation. Click to replace the component. Rotations can be performed in the command line as well. If the command window is not visible, select Display, Windows, Command from the menu. Click the IC to reattach it to your cursor. In the command window, enter I-angle 90 and press Enter to rotate the component 90 degrees. Click to replace the component. To accelerate this process and minimize mouse clicks, a shortcut key can be assigned for quicker rotation. In the command window, enter func key R I-angle 90 and press Enter. This will assign the I-angle 90 command to the R key on the keyboard for the current session. Select Place Components manually from the menu. Check Y1 and hover the cursor over the PCB canvas. Press R on the keyboard. The component is rotated 90 degrees with a single keystroke. Click to place the component on the board. Quickly assign custom keyboard shortcuts to streamline commonly used commands and save time in the PCB design process with OrCAD. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.